working on a bow. Once all human beings on this planet were able to do this very simple thing for them that is almost unbelievable for us, to actually sustain a family, a group, with what you can find in a radius of 50 kilometers. My ideal situation is to one day looking at my gun and think, oh, I didn't touch that thing for quite a while. I'm gonna finish this and I will be ready to hunt. My idea is to try to find the ancestral ways, find how people were not only able to survive but able to thrive here with what they could find locally. Westerners, sometimes we use that sentence, live off the land, and I've noticed that First Nation, they never use that sentence. They would say live on the land. Well, if there ever was a berry patch, it's here. Wow. Yeah, berries, they're all over the places. It's good to feed from the trail, vitamin C, energy. My grandpa would always say, first berries you see, harvest them, otherwise it will bring you bad luck. I don't know why, but I like the idea. It's about slowing down, try to understand what's going on instead of just rushing. I was spending lots of time in the Alps in Switzerland with my grandfather, and I would go at night in the bush and I felt like I want to be an animal somehow, you know? And saying that doesn't mean I don't want to be a human. It's more like I want to be a human that can be part of it, you know, without filters somehow. You get lots of information from the ground. People don't realize that. Because you're walking on different sort of ground, you tend to notice what type of ground would mark your foot, like your foot would mark it. And so I can see tracks from other animals easily because I'm actually walking barefoot. I know where they would put naturally their foot. For me, it's a way to get a bit closer to the land. So open spots like this are pretty rare in this area. And you know, it's a good place to spot animals. You can see an obvious trail, so it's always good. Yeah, you can actually see here the paws of the bear. And that's a grizzly. That's typical from a grizzly bear. He's using the exact same place to put his paws all the time. It's so important for us to, every 3 or 4 days, to just go and walk, hunt, because that's where we keep the connection. It's like a muscle. We have to train it all the time.